In this week's video, I'll be doing a realistic whole house reset, quick cleanup in the girls' bedrooms, a fridge clean and restock, and then I'll be ending with our bathroom and bedroom.
You turn me on, groove is your true nature, and it never gets hard enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell.
Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile. I thought that it was smart. Stay in my lane. Always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play. I had the leading part. I realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one else seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so overworking every situation, keeping track track of what everybody's doing. Do they have something I lack? Try to prove.
Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have all of you here. So we are moving down into the kitchen to get the refrigerator cleaned and restocked, because I don't know about you, when it's clean or restocked, everything is in its place. It makes things so much easier and it saves you a lot of time.
I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so coloring inside of the lines, leaving nothing a chance. So nobody's gonna find anything to fold me on. Thought that would mean I'd won. So afraid of being left behind. Did what I could to cut in line. No feelings, acting stone cold, sitting on my high horse. Ego had a stronghold. I got judging. Don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. I got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far.
What I always wanted, I could never have it. Gone before I grabbed it, over before it started. No, I could never have it.
What I always dreamed of, I could always see us. Shadows in the distance, watching from the fences. But I could never have it.
Now the space between us laughs at all our hopes and dreams. Was I a fool for my beliefs?
My time stands still
While you're dancing in the darkness, you think we should go our separate ways,
but I think you're worth the wait.
worth the wait,
Worth the wait.
worth the wait,
Worth the wait. I think you're worth the wait. What I never wanted always seems to happen. It's not the way we planned it. Nothing like a picture, but we can still repaint it.
I could find someone new, easier to run to, but they could never be you. I will always be here, no matter what we go through.
Time stands still
While you're dancing in the darkness, you'll think we should go our separate ways, but I think you're worth the wait. We vowed we'd be together, come whatever, come what may. And though it growing old, you're not alone, my heart won't change. Our memories will keep me warm until love calls you home. bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I get, will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream of. You forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream of. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I get, will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream of. You forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream Give and take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. The light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did it. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Call it in on your favors, call them in. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace. You can have it, just like the wind. Just let it pass through, just let it pass you. You do what you do, just like the wind. Just let it pass through, just let it pass you. You do what you do. Nothing happened by accident. Flowers bloom cause you planted them, watered them to perfection, and now there's no more empty vases. Passionate and so nurturing, and watch it grow from the seeds you sent. Now you reap all the benefits. Ooh. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Calling in all your favors, call them in. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace. You can have it, just like the wind. Just let it pass through, just let it pass you. You do what you do, just like the wind. Just let it pass through,
just put it past you. You do what you do. It's new now, cause he left all the baggage behind. Took a chance and just look what you found. Yeah, you know that it was about time, yeah. It's new now, cause he left all the baggage behind. Took a chance and just look what you found. Yeah, you know that it was about time, yeah. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just put it past you. You do what you do. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just put it past you. You do what you do.
So that brings us to the end of this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found motivation and inspiration to get some things done in your home. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.